Hello friends, welcome back. Our today's topic is mensuration. As we know, mensuration is one of the very important topic for any kind of competitive exams, let it be bank, SSC, railway, UPSC CSAT and placement trainings. In all the exams, questions from mensuration will be asked. And friends, if you are preparing for railway and SSC, then mensuration plays a very important role in your exam because more than 5 to 6 questions will be asked from this topic itself. Now friends, we have started with the topic cone, and this is the third video on cone where cone and cylinder will be related to each other, and then we'll have to find out the solution for that. So friends, I will advise you to please watch the first and second part of cone so that you will be able to understand this video. Now friends, question number 1, the radii of the base of a cylinder and a cone are in the ratio of 3 and 4 and their heights are in the ratio 2:3. Find the ratio of their volume. So basically friends, cone is there and cylinder is there, right? Okay, and you have to find a ratio of their volumes. So friends, what has been given? The radii of a, so the radius of a cylinder, and a cylinder we will write cy, and the radius of a cone co are given is 3:4 ratio, is given in the ratio of 3:4. Now friends, if any data is given in terms of ratio and if you want to write down in terms of value, then you can multiply with a variable. So radius of cylinder will become 3r and radius of cone will become 4r. So this is very simple friends. This has been already discussed before also. So if any data is given in terms of ratio and if you want to write down in terms of values, then just multiply by with a variable. So you can multiply with x, y, z. So there are 26 alphabets are there. You can multiply with any of that. Okay. So now a radius will become, so let's take in meter. So radius will become 3r meter and radius of cylinder and radius of cone will become 4r meter. Now friends, their heights are given in the ratio of 2:3. So height of cylinder is again, friends, I will directly write here 2h meter, and height of cone I will write it as 3h meter. Now the ratio of their volume. So cylinder volume. So friends, the volume of the cylinder and the volume of the cone. So volume of cylinder will be pi r square. So cylinder radius and into cylinder height, pi r square h, and volume of cone will be nothing but 1/3 into pi r square. So r is nothing but cone radius square and height is nothing but cone height. Now friends, pi and pi will get cancelled. This 3 will go up into cylinder radius. So cylinder radius is what friends? 3r. So 3r square will be nothing but 9. And h is what friends? 2h, right? Okay, so this will be 9r square and this will be nothing but 2h. Okay friends, because the height of the cylinder is 2h and the radius is 3r, so 3r square will be 9r square. And friends, radius of cone, so radius of cone is 4r, so 4r square, that means 16r square, and height of cone is nothing but 3h. Now friends, r square and r square cancel, h and h cancel, 3 and 3 cancel, and this will go by 8 times. So friends, volume ratio. So friends, volume ratio if you'll see, then it will become 9:8. 9:8. So 9 is here and 8 is here. So ratio of the volumes will become 9:8, and this is a good question for the today's session. Now moving towards the question number 2 friends. Question number 2 is a very important question friends. A conical vessel whose internal radius is 12 centimeter. So you have a conical vessel and whose radius is nothing but friends 12 centimeter and height 50 centimeter, and height 50 centimeter is full of liquid. So it is full of liquid. Okay. Now the contents are emptied into a cylindrical vessel. Now these contents are emptied into a cylindrical vessel. Okay friends, with internal radius 10 centimeter and height is not given. So height we have to calculate. Find the height to which the liquid rises in the cylinder. So friends, this cone is filled with the liquids. Now this liquid, if you are going to empty in the cylinder, then you have to find it out to what height the liquid will rise in the cylindrical vessel. So friends, the very basic concept. So whatever volume, suppose if it is 2 liter, suppose the liquid is 2 liter, and if we'll empty in cylinder, then also it will take 2 liter. So friends, volume. So friends, volume of conical vessel, right, and volume of conical vessel and volume of cylindrical vessel and volume of liquid. So volume of liquid in conical vessel will be equal to volume of liquid in cylindrical vessel. Okay friends, in cylindrical vessel. So this is a very basic concept friends, which you have to keep in mind. So you have to equate the volume in this kind of question friend. Now, so for cone, what will be the volume? 1 by 3 into pi r square h. And what will be the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Now friends, 1 by 3 into pi. So pi and pi will get cancelled. R square. So friends, what is the radius of the cone? So 12 into 12, 12 square. And what is the height? 50. And what about friends, cylinder? The radius is 10, so 10 into 10. And the height we have to calculate. Now friends, 10 will divide this by 5 times, 3 will divide this by 4 times, and again 5 will divide this by 2 times, and 2 will divide this by 6 times. So friends, height will be nothing but equal to 24 centimeter. So till 24 centimeter the liquid will rise in the cylindrical vessel. So friends, the only concept which you have to keep in mind here, volume will be equal if you are emptying the same amount of liquid into the other vessel. So friends, I hope you would have understood both the questions from the today's class. Thanks a lot for watching the video friends.